Hello, today we will be exploring how to sign in into an email with iPhone. So first you need to point to settings and click on settings. Then okay, so mail is here. Then you need to click on accounts and add accounts. So in my case, I will be signing into my Google account and I will be adding this Gmail account into the mail. So before this, I will be showing you that here, as you can see, there is no account available. So this context is associated with your phone context. So I will be turning off these calendars and notes, so just enabling only mail. So Gmail is now added. Let's see. So as you can see, my Gmail account is successfully added here.